Hello friends, so let's start our new lecture. In this lecture we are going to learn simple image thresholding methods. So first of all, what is threshold? Threshold is segmentation technique. Segmentation means to separate the object from its background. So let's start creating a new folder. First we have to create a folder with the name 13th class. This is our 13th lecture, and we will create a new file inside it with name simple thresholding OpenCV underscore python dot py. Let me save it. Now as you all know what we have to do, first import cv2 as cv, then import numpy as np. Now first we have to read the image that I am dot cv2 dot I am read method is there. Let me remove this. That's okay. Then we have to pass the path of our image, and the name of the image is gradient dot png, or I not need to read it in a grayscale, that's why I have to pass 0. Then let me see cv2 dot im show original image cv2 dot wait key cv2 dot destroy all windows. Let me run the code. So we have no attribute I am show. There is some syntactical mistake. So for first time it take a little bit delay. Okay, so this is our original image. This side at left side we have little dark, and as we move forward to the right side it's going up brighter, intensity is changing. So first let's try with our first method, which is called thresholding. So let me define a variable th1 cv2 dot threshold method. We have in this first variable we have to pass the image, another one 50 comma 255. I will explain these parameters when we are going to see the output. cv dot thresh binary. So let me copy this, th1 th1. So now we have a cv2 dot thresh binary. So now let me explain the parameter 50 and 225. This parameter indicates that whatever pixel is going to be below 50 is going to consider as black, and whatever pixels is going above 50 that's going to be considered as white. is going to be marked as 255. So as you can see here, these pixels are below 50, so it's going to be marked as 0, so it's showing a black, and the above and pixels those are above that are going to be marked as 255, so it's showing as white. So this is the difference, this is the definition of thresh binary. So let's understand other all different thresholds methods. So th2 cv2 dot. The next method is we have thresh binary inverse. So I hope maybe you get it by the name thresh binary inverse. It is the inverse of thresh binary. 200 and 255 cv2 dot thresh binary inverse. So let me copy. th2 so as you can see here, the first one is our original image, the second one is thresh binary and thresh binary inverse. So those pixels which are below 200 is going to be marked as white because this is inverse, and which are above 200 is going to be marked as black because that's going to be the inverse of thresh binary. So our next method, which is called cv2 thresh trunk, that is the thresh trunk method. So 127 to 55 comma cv2 dot thresh trunk. So now let me copy mark this variable as th3. Now let me run the code and let's see the output. Let me arrange it first. So this one is our original image, this is thresh binary, this is thresh binary inverse, and this is thresh trunk. So as you can see that in thresh trunk what is happening, the pixels which are below 127 is considered same as it is, but the pixel which are above 127 is going to be marked as 127 itself. So as you can see here, the pixels in this original image, the pixels which are below 127 is considered as it is, but after the pixels which are going to be more than 127 is considered as 127 itself. So as you can see here, the difference, the pixels are considered as 127. So these and these colors are going to be same. So now let's move to our next method, which is called thresh to 0. 127 again, 255 comma cv2 thresh to 0 method. Again we have to copy. copy this variable thresh to 0 cv2 dot so this is our, let me arrange this first. So this is our original image and this is our thresh to 0. So as you can see here, those pixels which are below 127 is going to be marked as 0. So that's why this portion we are getting black, and those pixels which are above 227 is written as it is. So as you can see the difference between original and thresh to 0 image. Now let's move to our next method, which is the last one, th5 equals to cv2 dot threshold image comma 127 comma 255 cv2 dot thresh to 0 inverse. So I hope you may be getting the result of thresh 5 with the name itself, thresh to 0 inverse. Let me show you what's thresh to inverse. So this is our original image and this is thresh 5. So as you can see here, this is the, let me arrange the thing. So as you can see here, this is our original image and this is thresh 5. The pixel which are below 127 is going to be considered as same it is, and which are above 127 is going to be marked as 0, because this is thresh to 0 inverse, as inverse of thresh to 0. So let me show you the all outputs. So this is our thresh 1, thresh 2, thresh 3, thresh 4, thresh 5, original image, and thresh 5. So this is the segmentation techniques, threshold techniques you can say also, in OpenCV. So that's it for today, friends. Now let's meet in a new lecture with the new topic. So that's it for today. Bye friends.